Alright, so it's about month 2 on the 94 Bluebird school bus. As you can see, we're having a difficult time getting it out. The gentleman that owned it before me has kind of let it sit for a little while, so we have some issues. One issue is the treadle valve. Condensation got into the air lines and locked it up. We tried bleeding it out, beating on it, no big deal. I'll show you what I did there. So you might be better off going to an auction and buying one, but when you do it the way I'm doing it, you're gonna have a little bit of issues. This is the brand new treadle valve, and this is kind of what controls the foot brake of this beast. And once we got that up, I had to put new batteries in it. There's the old ones. Here's the new ones, all hooked up. Put some more gas in it, fired it up, and then we heard a loud hissing noise coming from underneath. Once I went underneath there and got a flashlight and found out that rats had eaten through one of the air lines on another one of the other airlines. So, back to the drawing board.